Discord has been getting too invasive nowadays. Unfair bans, data leaks, dystopian laws, parental ties, and whatnot. Everybody has their own set of reasons to walk away. And I'm going to help you do that. The Reaper tool can migrate entire server from Discord to Fluxer. Let's see how that works. First, let's start with the Discord bot. Go to Discord developer portal, applications, and create a new application. Let's call it Reaper tutorial. Go to installation section first, add the bot permissions. We need read message history and view channel access. Click save. Copy the install link and install it in your server. Authorize and install. And here we have it. It's installed now. So this bot has access to all your channels, but private categories and private channels may not have access. So you'll have to add access manually. So go to edit category, permissions, and add the bot manually. Reaper tutorial. Then let's get back to this developer portal. Go to the bot section. We need this token, so click reset and regenerate it. And here we have it. We will need it later for the Reaper tool. And now let's set up the Fluxer bot. Firstly, we will create a community. Target community. It can be any name. And under your account settings, go to applications and create a new one. Reaper migrator. Under the scopes, enable bot and give it administrator permission. Copy the install link and install it in your server. And the bot is now added. So before we get back, regenerate this token. And finally, let's download the Reaper tool. Click your OS and a zip file will be downloaded. And once you unzip that file, you should see this folder. Open it and run the executable file. Get started, and we will create a configuration name. I will call it tutorial. And here we will paste the Discord bot token and the Fluxer bot token. Try pasting with Ctrl+Shift+V if Ctrl+V is not working. Once you click validate, it will list all the servers. We will select Reaper demo, shuttle transfer is fine, and click validate and select the community. Target community is fine. And finally, let's click save. Here we have a missing permission, so let's go and fix that. Yep, I need to enable both. Save changes. Okay, let's revalidate it again. It's valid now. So let's start with the cloning process. We will clone this demo server into this target community. We have some default channels here. You could remove it manually or use the danger zone here. Delete all channels and categories. Proceed. So the server is completely clean now. Let's proceed with the template. clone server template, roles, permissions, server structure, and channel and category permissions. Let's proceed with that. Start cloning, and you will see the magic happen. It has cloned the roles now. You can check it here. Roles and permissions. Here you can see that both the roles are same. And next it should be cloning the server structure.
A few moments later.
Sometimes it might take some extra time due to rate limiting. And here we are seeing the categories and channels coming. One more thing to note, forum channels are not yet implemented in Fluxer, so it's just creating them as channels. Server structure is cloned, now it's cloning the permissions. Great, the server structure is cloned. Let's move to the next part. We will clone everything: emoji, stickers, name, icon, and even the banner. Start syncing. We should see the new icon and the name change here. And here we have it. Let's see the emojis. So we have the emojis and custom stickers. Finally, let's get to the interesting part. We will migrate the message history. Currently, you can migrate only one channel at a time. First, we'll start with this message types. Select and click start. You can either start from the first message or give it a custom ID and start from that. And the message migration is done. Let's move to the next channel. Next, we will do this attachment types channel. Same as before, start from first message. But this time, we will cancel it halfway. So let's say your migration gets interrupted halfway. You can continue them. We will restart that again, okay? Choose attachment types and again. And here we have this third option, continue migration. So it will continue from this message. And it's done. It's as simple as that. That's how you migrate your server. Currently, we looked at live migration mode. It migrates the messages directly from Discord to Fluxer. But Reaper also has another mode, the backup mode. Let's see how that works. I have saved another configuration. In the configuration, click backup and migrate mode. Backup channel messages. Click the channels which you want to backup locally. I'll just click 2 channels for demo. It will take some time to retrieve all the messages from Discord and save it locally to your device. You can see the backup folder already here. So all your messages are saved to this backup database. And these are the assets, attachment server assets and the user icons. It will take some time, we'll be back. You know what? Let's interrupt this one. I'll click cancel. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. And here we have this option, update existing backup. So it will look at all the backed up channels and incrementally update each and every one of them. start syncing. So it will continue where it left off. This can be very helpful. You can take a backup today and after a week you can update it. It will just incrementally update only the new messages. It saves you some time and bandwidth. Okay, backup is done. Let's switch to the migration mode. And before that, we can also check out this backup stats. So currently we have backed up 553 messages and attachments are around 243 megabytes. You can even see how many messages are backed up and how many files are there in each channel. Okay, let's switch to the migration mode. And here, instead of the token validation, just validate the local backup. If you do not have a local backup, it will throw up some errors here. And the interface is just like the live migration mode. We will use migrate message history, and let's choose this interesting projects channel. Select and start from first message. There's this. And here you can see that the messages are getting migrated. It is not getting migrated from Discord, but from your computer. So that's how the local backup mode works. And I'll also show you another feature. We'll cancel this for now. We will use this anonymize users option. Save config. And we will test this same in member exclusive channel. So what this does is it changes all the display names to random names and creates random avatars for each and every one of them. Let's look at this member exclusive channel. Here we have it. And here we have it. We'll create a random name and a random avatar for each and every user. And that's what this function does. And we'll just let it run. And I'll also show you another sneak peek. This backup viewer, it's still a work in progress, but I'll show you. You'll have to click this and open the backup folder. Select a folder named Discord backup. So this works completely locally. No data is sent to any servers. You can browse all the messages locally, and even look at the server analytics. This gives you a overview of your backup. Everything is backed up, including the members, emojis, roles, everything. And that's all for today. Let's get rid of Discord together. See you next time.